Is that recording now?
Hello, Melbourne. This is Gallagher. I want to tell you about a local band that loves the 80s, and they're going to be playing for you now, and that's why it's special. Let me hear some local love. Now, Mike is the lead singer. He's going to be singing for you, and he's glad to be out of his living room. Here they go, Velcro Love!
It's raining all day. She loves to be one of the girls. She lives in a place in the side of our lives where nothing's ever put straight. Turns herself around and she laughs and she says, "This is it, it's the end of the joke." Loses herself in a dream and in sleep, and her lovers walk through in their coats. She's pretty in pink, isn't she? Pretty in pink, isn't she? Now all of her lovers all talk of her notes and the flowers that they never sent. Wasn't she easy? No, wasn't she pretty in pink? One who insists he was first in a line is the last to remember her name. Walking around in this dress that she wore, she's gone, but the joke's the same. Pretty in pink, isn't she? Pretty in pink, isn't she now? You softly sometimes she says, "I love you," and too much. She doesn't have anything you'd want to steal. Well, there's nothing you can touch. She waves, she buttons your shirt. The traffic is waiting outside. She hands you her coat, she gives you her clothes, and these cars collide. Pretty in pink, she, pretty in pink, isn't she? Pretty in pink, isn't she now? Gallagher! Did you ever imagine you'd ever be introduced by Gallagher? Thank you so much.